Are you wondering what to do in your garden if there's a really late frost in the spring? Keep watching and I'll show you a tip. Hi everyone, this is Audra with Urban Gardening, and it is April the 12th here, and it was 30 degrees last night and it's supposed to be 29 degrees tonight, and we've already got things blooming and coming out and budding, and so here's what I do when there's a really late freeze in the spring after things are already blooming. Of course, you don't want to lose your plants, so I use buckets and tubs, and I put them over top of my plants. I'll show you underneath here. This is a hosta, and it was like 30 degrees last night, and it's looking just fine. I also use plastic tubs and buckets. You can see all the way down here, there's a plant underneath each one of those. And then if you look out in my garden over here, you can see I've got plastic totes over top of those. So we'll go a little closer and see what that looks like. So under here I've got some kale. And you can see it looks just fine. And it was really cold, and it is really cold right now too. So I just cover up those little guys. I've got all my rhubarb plants covered up here with buckets and totes. And I've got a tarp down there over my blueberry bushes that had buds on them that I didn't want to lose. So if you want a cheap, quick, easy way to keep your plants from frosting and freezing, just go dig around your garage and find buckets and tubs and things and come and put them over top of your plants. So that's what I do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks.